Hi viewers, today I would like to show you all how to enable Wi-Fi sharing or Wi-Fi repeater on Samsung smartphone. Let's have a look. This is Samsung Galaxy A72. First, swipe up home screen to access app screen. Tap Settings app. From Settings, tap Connections. Tap Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Now tap Mobile Hotspot. Tap Configure. Now scroll up and tap Advanced. Scroll down little bit and find out Wi-Fi sharing. Share your phone's Wi-Fi connection in addition to mobile data. Just toggle on Wi-Fi sharing. Are you sure you want to turn on Wi-Fi sharing? Make sure you have permission for the Wi-Fi provider before sharing your connection. Some Wi-Fi networks may not be available while Wi-Fi sharing is on. Here, my phone connected with Wi-Fi network and I would like to share. So tap OK. Tap Save for confirm. Your other device can use this Wi-Fi network and use this password. Now turn on mobile hotspot. That's it, mobile hotspot on. You will find both icon, mobile hotspot and Wi-Fi at the top right corner. Go back and try to connect your other device for Wi-Fi sharing. Here I am using my another phone. First turn on Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi sharing phone connected with this Wi-Fi network. I would like to connect with my Wi-Fi sharing phone. That's it, phone connected and I can use Wi-Fi internet. So these are the steps to use Wi-Fi sharing or Wi-Fi repeater in Samsung smartphone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.